our second pair from India, our Sportville Pelicans. The next four from Europe, our Dalmatian Pelicans, everybody. Moving along now to Africa, the birds with the long, sexy, keep your eyes right there for Greta Flamingo. To finish this off, all the way from South America, a beautiful macaws up there and there. And there you have it, everybody, our grand finale of birds. Give them a big round of applause. With that, we have come to the... Thank you so much. With that, we have come to the end of the show. If you would like to take photos with our birds, do stay, because we will be bringing out another group of flamingos just for you guys. But in the meantime, all of you are more than welcome to just come down and take pictures of all our lovely birds here on stage. With that, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. One more thing before you go.